Hey, I'm excited to give you a quick little shortcut when it comes to maintaining your spa. As you can tell, ours looks good and we would like to keep it that way. So every time we use it, we utilize this. This right here is just a quick non-chlorine shock oxidizer. And as you can see with the little note, use 1 tablespoon per person after they go in. So I'm just gonna turn on the current, dump in 1 tablespoon and let it run for about 15 minutes, and then I'll close it up and be done. But that's just a quick maintenance after using your spa. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this spa. So it's got a current, as you can see. Go ahead and open up this non-chlorine oxidizing shock. And I only had 1 person in this time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to go ahead and dump it in the current so it can distribute. I will let that run to keep my spa looking good and clear. And I hope you guys have just as great and easy maintenance. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe, and look forward to sharing some more tips with you. Bye.